Good morning. It is January 21, 2026, and I want to share with you a trade that I took that I'm pretty proud of this, not because I made a lot of profit, I didn't, but because of my decision making. So at the pre-market, I did my full pre-market review, and one thing that I was very aware of was that the market dropped in the overnight and because of the tariffs and that Trump was speaking at Davos, which absolutely had the potential to just make the market go crazy. So I was completely okay not trading at all today until I saw how the market digested whatever information. I mean, at the time that I was taking this trade, he was still talking. So, I mean, it could be anything. So out of my short list, it's really now a short list. AMD was the one that I had a bullish bias on. Um, but I was also totally fine if it showed weakness and turned bearish because of that huge move yesterday. I wanted to be clear that I wasn't married to a thesis, but I wanted to see price action. I wanted to see price action prove it. So I was watching AMD, and from the open, it showed relative strength and already broke the previous day high. So, so that was, one of my favorite setups is a break and retest of the previous day high. It's becoming my favorite setup now that I'm understanding break and retest a little bit. So I waited for a break, retest, and this candle was my acceptance or my confirmation and entry. So I'm pretty proud that I entered at where I thought was acceptance above the previous day high. And if it didn't work out, I had my stop loss and I was ready. I was okay to get out of it. But I was prepared to lose that money, but I was also prepared for it to work out. Um, so there, I entered at confirmation close. I mean, this is a setup that I couldn't ignore regardless of, of Trump. So I went for it. At the same time, the QQQ was doing a break and retest of the 5-minute high. So that correlation added confidence. The guys also took the trade, but I was aware that I wasn't copying them because I already had my own thesis, and them taking it was just simply additional confluence. And for somebody that clearly has trust issues, this was needed. So I only took one contract. My target was I think it was the 5-minute high, and I exited exactly where I planned. It went higher afterwards. It went up to 248. But that's okay. I traded my plan and not the outcome. Um, so my biggest win today wasn't the trade itself. The biggest win is that I did not jump back in. And I was okay with one and done. Um, and I was being patient. I respected, the news, and I only acted when the price aligned with my rules. So that's what I'm trying to build. And yeah, so pretty good day for me. I hope your day was good too. I know a lot of people took AMD. So yeah. All right, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have a good day.